Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. Here is one interesting interview question that is being posted by one of our viewers in the comment section of our previous videos. So now let's look at that question. Hi Harsha, recently I have attended one interview. They are asking me one question. In the clipboard, new assign page gets created, and when the case is completed, new assign page gets removed. And what are the OOTB rules that runs in the background during this process? So actually there is a small correction to the question that new assign page gets created when the assignment is creating and gets deleted when the assignment gets complete. Again it will be created for next assignment, and once the assignment is completed, deleted. This is a repeated process till the case. Now coming to the answer, what are the OOTB activities that runs in the background during the assignment creation? So what options will be there generally in the assignment? Routing option, SLA option. Now let's look at what are the OOTB rules that gets executed while the assignment is getting created and while the assignment is getting completed. So let's have a look at the tracer once, where the assignment is being traced while creation. For SLA, it is going to run one OOTB activity, that is define SLA times, that is from assign dash class. Then what about routing? If the assignment is getting routed to worklist, to worklist. If the assignment is getting routed to workbasket, to workbasket. Then which OOTB activity creates this new assign page here in Pega? So in the to worklist or to workbasket, there are other OOTB activities, worklist and workbasket. Those are responsible for creating the new assign page. Then which activity is going to make the assignment get completed? You all know this, finish assignment. There is an OOTB activity, finish assignment, that runs when we click on submit button on the assignment. That is going to remove the new assign page from the clipboard once the assignment gets complete. During the next assignment creation, again this process will be repeated. If you find this information useful, like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any interview questions that you come across, direct definition questions or scenario based questions, you're free to ask here in the comment section of this videos. I'm happy to help you. Thank you.